Hi everyone, this is Faye from Pastel Mining channel. Today I'm showing you our 45-volt hydro cooling container. It's made for Whatsminer 2U miners. Works with M3, M5 and M6 series. Alright, let's go inside. So the design here follows a data center style. My left side is the cabinet side. We also left a walkway so you can easily check the miners anytime. You may notice the cable on the floor. It's not just for the look. It helps with insulation and noise reduction, makes the environment more stable and quiet. Come with me. Each cabinet holds 20 Whatsminer 2U units, so this whole container runs up to 240 miners. Each miner has its own power switch. Network cable and water in-out hoses. Everything is clean and organized. This yellow light is for leak detection. If a leak occurs, all machines will automatically shut down. Okay, follow me. Now on my right, this is power cabinet. Let me open it. We use automatic reclosing breakers for safer production. And here's a small detail I really like. Side screws are tool-free. You can open them by hand. Very convenient for daily maintenance. On the left, we added a fire gas suppression system. Next to is the control cabinet and the CDU. All functions, airflow, cooling, and the power are built into one system. Very simple to operate. Here is the water pump. And at the bottom, we have the auto refill pipe. And pressure tank. It can auto refill and auto release pressure. Look up. Red arrows show the water inlet. Blue arrows show the water outlet. All wiring is hidden inside the walls. Everything is neat. No messy cables. The red button here is the fire alarm. And this is the fan. This is the emergency exit door. Just press and it opens. Now let's check the other side. This side is the liquid cooling area. Look up again. These are the cooling pipes. We separate water and electricity for better safety. This metal panel here separates the hot and cold airs, helps with airflow and cooling efficiency. Now let's move to the back. Here's the fan area, and below we have all the quick connect interface, power, network, and water in-out. Just connect your dry cooler and you are ready. We'll plug and play. And this is the whole tour of our 45-volt hydro cooling container. From what we have seen, you can probably feel it. This whole setup is built to class data center standards. All electric components meet CCS certifications, and for overseas customers, you can also provide CE, UL, and CSA certifications based on your needs. At Pastel, we offer a full line of hydro cooling products from small home setups to warehouse-level staking solutions to big container solutions like this one. And everything can be fully customized for your needs. Feel free to contact us anytime. I'm Faye from Personal Mining. See you in the next video. Bye bye.